You don't need another coding tutorial, you need discipline. Genuinely, you can end this video right now because it doesn't matter how many get ahead of 99% of people videos you watch, how many productivity hacks you bookmark, and how many programming roadmaps you download and never open again. If you are not sitting down and coding consistently, it will move you forward. You can read every self-help book on the shelf, watch every tutorial on the platform, read every Reddit thread relitigating Python for the 1000th time. None of it matters if you are not actually building something while you do it. Maybe you are picturing Frank, your next real engineering job, becoming genuinely great at this in 4 months flat. Fine, dreams are cheap, and execution is the only thing that actually separates the person who gets there from the person who actually talks about getting there. Planning feels productive because you are technically doing something, but watching another tutorial isn't progress. Researching another language isn't progress. Writing the code is progress. Building, breaking stuff, getting stuck, and googling the error, fixing it and doing the same thing again tomorrow. On purpose, whether or not feeling like it that day. That's loop, not the roadmap, not the motivation. It's what actually turns someone into a programmer. And here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. There's no guarantee attached to any of this. You might code for 6 months straight and still not land the job you want. You might build 10 real projects and have almost nobody notice. You might apply to 100 companies and get 100 rejection back, but you still walk away with something most people who plan never will have. A real demonstrable skill and over enough time. The people who showed up to code when nobody is watching. And nothing is guaranteed are the ones who eventually separate themselves from everyone, still searching for the perfect starting point. So stop hunting for the perfect roadmap. Stop waiting to feel motivated before you start. Stop consuming and calling it progress. Open your editor, build something. You don't become a programmer by thinking about coding. You become one by coding. And Mufti develops. Subscribe.